Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Chick plus hen, chicken. Gum plus bow, gumbo, chicken gumbo. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hi, everyone, and welcome again to our program. Let's meet our players. The lovely lady on my left is Mano. Isn't that a pretty name? Mano Mesa.
Thank you, Alex.
Welcome back to our show.
Thank you.
Did you see the French film, Manon des Sorts?
No, never.
You bear a bit of a resemblance to the girl in that movie. She was gorgeous.
Thank you.
You are, too.
Thank you.
Let's say flatterer, he says. Okay, what am I supposed to say? You're ugly and we're just putting up with you here? No, she's a pretty girl. And her opponent in this game is this gentleman, Dennis Kuhn. Hello, Dennis.
Nice to meet you.
How are you doing today?
Really good, thank you.
Yeah? What's on your mind? What do you want to say?
I want to say, well, I don't know. My name's Dennis. I'm from Valencia, California. I just graduated from San Diego State with a marketing degree, and I'm currently gainfully unemployed.
Gainfully unemployed.
Yeah.
Good for you. So you want to win a lot of prizes.
Exactly
Okay,
right, Alex.
take a look over here. If you're having a little trouble, staying happy, this will turn everything around for you.
Wish upon a star as you and a guest enjoy a moonlight stroll along the deck of your Bahamas Disney luxury liner. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Orlando. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll enjoy Premier's Cruise and Disney Week, a 4-night Bahamas cruise, plus a 3-night Walt Disney World vacation, including hotel, rental car, and admissions furnished by Premier Cruise Lines. Alex.
Marjorie, what on earth are you doing to Minnie and Mickey? Minnie was upside down for about 25 seconds. Oh, well. Let's show Mano and Dennis where we can find that great vacation. Bahamas Disney Cruise at number 19. Don't worry, by the end of the show, Marjorie will finally get it together. Dennis, you get to go first. Mano's at a bit of a disadvantage because she has one strike against her since she lost one of her previous games. You pick first, Dennis.
Okay, let's see if we can see what's behind number 5. See if we can get the match for the vacation.
Number 5, no, an amethyst and gold ring.
All right, let's go down to the other corner then in 21. See what's there.
21, diamond cufflinks, no match for you. MM.
Okay, I would love a trip. Let's try number 7.
Word processor.
Ooh, that'd be nice. How about number 19?
Bahamas Disney Cruise, no match. Dennis?
Saw that before. All right, let's see if we can find that cruise behind number 13. See if it's catty corner there.
No, video camera.
Video camera. Well, let's try right to the left at number 12. See if it matches.
Ice cream maker, no match, obviously. Mano?
Yum, ice cream. Okay, how about number 8?
Diamond cufflinks.
Ooh, I believe we saw that on number 21.
21 sounds familiar, and for good reason. It is a match. And so the first prize goes to the lady. Take a look. Pick again.
Okay, how about number 10?
Green take.
Okay, and maybe under number 11?
Red take. No match. Good idea, though. Dennis?
Okay, let's see number 16, please.
Word processor.
Okay. Let's try number 7.
There's a match.
Okay.
Dennis gets his prize in his column, and he gets to study the puzzle with 2 more doors swinging open. Go again.
Okay, let's try number 4, Alex.
Ice cream maker.
Ice cream maker is behind number 12, I believe.
12 it is. 2 in a row for Dennis. And so far, no wild cards used up. That's interesting. Open these 2 panels. Go again.
Okay, let's try number 25 down in the bottom corner.
Red take.
And number 11, I believe, for the match.
Got the red one? Yes, it was. She has those gold cufflinks.
I'll wait on the cufflinks, I think. I'm gonna wait.
Let me ask you a question. Do you own any shirts with French cuffs?
That's the problem. I think that's where my problem is coming with the unemployment thing. I don't need the cufflinks. I got the...
Yeah, you go to pick up your unemployment check.
Exactly.
Looks bad if you got gold and diamond cufflinks.
That would be a problem, I think.
They give you a dirty look. Let's open these two panels for Dennis. Pick again.
Okay. Let's try number 15 over on the right.
Leather garment bag.
Okay. I like leather. Let's try number 2.
Motorcycle. You like leather and you like motorcycles.
motorcycles, I'm in there.
Mano?
Okay, I'm still looking for that trip. Number 18.
Green take.
Okay, and I believe you saw the green take under number 10.
Uh-oh, says Dennis. And he has an ice cream maker up there, Mano.
Oh, gosh, that
Also a
looks
word
really
processor.
tempting, but I
Take
think I'm going to wait.
Yes,
I'm
there
gonna
is still that Bahamas Disney cruise
Yes.
on the board. Two panels opening up for Mano. Pick again.
Okay, how about number 3?
Bahamas Disney cruise.
Yes, number 19.
Bahamas Disney cruise for Manon.
Okay.
Will this be the game she wins and earns a lot of great prizes? Let's take a look.
Okay, hold your fire.
Hold your fire. Hang on just a second before we get a reading on that. I did not allow you to use your
Oh,
take. I didn't give
okay.
you an opportunity because I thought it was early in the game and you might not
Okay,
have wanted
well,
to. He's got the word processor and the ice cream maker.
Ice cream maker.
Ice cream maker? Give her the ice cream maker. And now she says, hold your fire. And she is right. I didn't want you to lose out on the next prize, Mano. Here you go.
A hole over here, down here, yes. And plus the D, and the Y, plus the or, and the dragon breathing fire. Hold your fire! Woo!
All right. We have a winner. We have a winner. Dennis, you didn't win this game, but you're going to get to play in game number 2. That's just one strike against you. So the tiebreaker game between the two of you will take place in just a little while. We'll see you then.
All right.
All right. You have got the Bahamas
yes.
Disney cruise. You got the ice cream maker. And you're going to go to the winner's circle to play for a brand new car when we come back after this. A $4,000 win in that first game for Manon. She would like to cap that by winning a brand new car. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you. And base time on the clock, 35 seconds, Manon. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
Nope.
7, 6,
Yes.
9, 10,
Nope.
3, 10,
Yes.
12, 1,
Yes.
13, 15,
No.
14, 4,
No.
2, 14,
No.
5, 13.
Our two contestants are now going to get into game number 2. It's a tiebreaker game because each has lost one game to this point. So whoever loses this one leaves Classic Concentration. But we have some fabulous prizes, including this.
Lane's Settee Cedar Chest with tumbleweed finish has combined seating and storage. Offers the best from the past in heirloom treasures of the future furnished by Lane. Alex.
I like the wrap that goes with it. Let's show Manon and Dennis where that piece of furniture can be found. The cedar chest is in the lower left-hand corner at number 21. This is game number 2, so we have the 5 bonus car seconds. Our cash pot has $600 in it, and the vacation is in Mexico, in Ixtapa. But we have just one wild card. Manon, you don't get to pick first. Dennis does.
Okay, let's go right up to the top at number 2.
Stereo system.
Okay, that'd be nice. How about number 8 for the match?
Massage table. Good combination.
Massage. Yes, I need one right now.
Stereo and a massage. You can't beat that.
How about number 14?
Evening party dresses.
Ooh, pretty. How about number 11?
Stereo system. I guess Dennis will have a shot at it.
Well, let's try number 2.
2 for the stereo?
And try to match it at number 11, Alex.
Correct. A stereo system going up here, and down here. 2 panels are opening. Try it again.
Okay, let's try number 4.
35mm camera.
Very nice. Number 24, down at the bottom.
Pearl necklace. No, Manon.
I want everything up there. How about number 13?
5 bonus car
Ooh,
seconds.
that'd be nice. How about number 17?
No, there's the pearl necklace. Dennis.
Okay, let's see if we can match that pearl necklace under 24. And then number 17 again.
17 and 24 works. Now, if you were watching our Love Week programs recently, you'll remember that one of our contestants solved the puzzle with just 4 pieces opened up. Let's see if you can do it now. It's a different puzzle, by the way, Dennis.
Oh.
Let's open these panels. I might add, it's a tougher puzzle, too.
Yes, I'm not up to it. All right, let's try number 23 then, down at the bottom.
Cedar chest.
Okay, number 21 for the match.
Cedar chest. Bottom line is starting to come clean. Let's see what these 2 doors reveal. Pick again.
Okay, let's try number 14.
Evening party dresses.
Dadgummit. Let's try number 15 right next to it.
No.
Uh-oh.
Manon?
Okay, a massage table, I believe, was under number 8.
Yes.
Yes, and number 15.
That's a good combination. If this is the massage table I'm thinking of, it's great.
Yeah?
It
Oh,
really
good.
is. I've managed to relax on it during some of the commercial breaks in recent shows.
Great.
Let's open these 2 panels for you. Pick again.
How about number 20?
Cash pot.
Ooh, nice. How about under number 1?
No, those are the 5 bonus car seconds. A very valuable match to be made there. Dennis.
Yes, let's see if we can match it then at number 13.
13, right.
And then number 1.
13 and 1 works this time for the bonus car seconds. Open it up. Pick again, Dennis.
Okay, let's try number 5 this time, Alex.
The Ixtapa
All right.
Beach Vacation.
See if we can match that under number 20.
Cash pot. No match for you, but I bet you a match for Manon.
Oh, I would love Ixtapa. How about number 18?
35mm camera.
We saw that under number 4.
35mm camera. I was right. Manon will make the match. She didn't make the one I thought she was going to try for, but that's all right.
It's okay.
2 more doors opening up for her.
Okay.
There's still a wild card up there, you know.
All right, let's try for that wild card under number 12.
Evening party dresses.
I believe we saw those beautiful dresses under number 14.
Evening party dresses. Dennis says, stop it. Stop those matches, says Dennis June. But Manon says, no, I want to make the matches. I want to win the game
Yes.
and get another shot at the car.
Eliminate Dennis.
And eliminate Dennis, yes. 2 doors opening up. Pick again.
Okay, how about number 6? Number 6.
Green take.
Green take. Number 25.
Red take. Now, the viewers noticed, I'm not sure you did, Manon, but while you were studying the board, our director flashed up this picture to show you that I was not joshing you a while ago when I said that I had managed to relax on that massage table from time to time. Dennis, we're back to you.
Okay,
You get to pick.
All right, good. Let's see what's behind number 3 up at the top.
Green take.
Okay, number 6 for the match, I believe.
Yes. Now, anything, does Manon have anything that you would like to take from her?
Well, the dresses are tempting, I must admit, Alex, but I think I'm going to take the camera, to be honest with you.
35mm
Yeah.
camera coming his way.
I'm gonna take
Dennis has got it, and 2 doors are opening up for his benefit. And there is still, even at this late stage, that wild card on the board somewhere. Dennis, make a match.
Okay, well, let's try number 10.
Wild card.
Right. Yes. I'd love to go to Ixtapa. Let's take number 5.
5 for the Mexican vacation, and the other Estapa Beach vacation is in that same corner. So 3 panels, all in a bunch, are opening up for Dennis Kuhn.
A detailed description.
Sounds good to me. A detailed description. And that is right for the win. And a lot of prizes, too.
That's a great thing.
Let's go to the board and you give us a detailed description as you explain this.
Okay, where are we? Okay, this is the hay and the D with the tail. And another D, we got a detailed. Down here we got a desk, a crib, and a shin for description. A detailed description.
Detailed description is right, and well done. Manon, we're finally going to have to say goodbye to you. You've got 2 strikes against you, but you do have that holiday in the Bahamas
all I
and over
wanted.
$4,000 in prizes. Congratulations, too.
Thank you.
Take care.
Good
Goodbye.
luck.
Dennis, you won big in this game. You really made up for that loss a little while ago. Gene,
good.
tell them.
A 35mm camera, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a 35mm camera or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and a stereo system. Symphonics compact stereo system is packed with advanced features: AM/FM, quartz tuner, dual cassette deck, turntable, remote control, and incredible sounding 2-way speakers furnished by Symphonic, and a pearl necklace. A matinee length cultured pearl necklace, 6 to 6.5 millimeter, beautifully adorned with a 14-karat gold clasp from the fine jewelry collection of the Michael C. Fina Company. And Estapa Beach Vacation. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to Estapa, and you'll spend 6 nights at the Crystal Estapa, where every room overlooks the ocean. Try sunbathing on the beach or swimming under the waterfall. Superb Mexican hospitality furnished by the Crystal Estapa. And, of course, the handsome cedar chest and the 5 bonus car seconds. And, Dennis, you have won a prize package totaling $4,421.
All right. Big win. And those 5 bonus car seconds are going to help you a lot, I feel. We'll find out when we come back right after these messages. Welcome back, folks. If I look a little confused now, it's because I'm about to do something that I have done on many, many occasions over the past 4.5 years as the host of Classic Concentration. I'm about to tell you of the advantages of purchasing the Classic Concentration home game, not only for enjoyment in your home, but as a practicing device to enable you to become a better player if you should want to try out for our program. The reason I'm a little confused today is that for the first time in 4.5 years, there is actually a game in the box. There's never been a game in this box. I always thought I was just selling an empty box, but there's actually a game in there. So now there's even a better reason to go out and buy this game. Not just for the box. You ready, Dennis?
I'm ready.
Did I handle that reasonably well?
Well, you were reaching a little bit. I think you did okay.
Thanks, Dennis. Here are the 15 numbered squares. You better do well in this or I'm going to nail you. 35 seconds is bonus time, as you know, but you picked up 5 bonus seconds in that game, so you're going to be dealing with a full 40 in your deck. Good luck. Off you go.
Okay, 1, 2.
Nope.
3, 4.
No again.
5, 6.
Nope.
7, 8.
Nope.
2, 9.
No.
3, 10.
No.
2, 10.
Right.
11, 5.
No.
4, 12.
No.
5, 12.
Yep.
15, 11.
No.
4, 15.
That's it.
14, and 1. I'm the luck.
I think you did well, but you were pushing just a little bit there, Dennis.
I know.
However, you have won $4,421 in prizes, and you're going to get to come back. You've just got the 1 strike against you. We'll take a break after we hear this message from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive the VitaVac. It's designed to remove pollen, ragweed, dust, and other allergens from your home while you vacuum. You'll love the way it cleans the air while it cleans your home. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
All three of us will be back tomorrow. Please join us then, right here on Concentration. So long. Have a good one.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.